Revolutionize your video analysis with OmniStream's cutting-edge tech. Traditional video processing methods often struggle with accuracy and efficiency, but OmniStream's innovative approach to perception and reconstruction is changing the game. By leveraging advanced algorithms and machine learning techniques, OmniStream enables faster and more accurate analysis of complex video data. According to a 2020 study, 85% of organizations using video analytics report improved decision-making. This means you can quickly and reliably extract insights from even the most challenging video feeds, unlocking new possibilities for applications like surveillance, robotics, and autonomous vehicles. With OmniStream, you can improve object detection, tracking, and classification, leading to better decision-making and enhanced performance. Unlock the full potential of your video data and gain a competitive edge with OmniStream's powerful tools. Now it's your turn to supercharge your video analysis. If you're as excited as we are about the future of video intelligence, hit that like button and let us know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Share your thoughts on how OmniStream can revolutionize your industry. And don't forget to subscribe for exclusive updates, behind-the-scenes insights, and access to our expert community. Let's unlock the true potential of video analysis together.